Hello everyone, welcome back to EducQuiz. So now we are doing the third exercise on the first chapter, which is number systems, and the third subtopic, which is significant figures. So the exercise goes by round to 3 significant figures, dot dot dot, and B, round to 2 significant figures, those two. So let's dive into the first one. So we have this, we have to round it to 3 significant figures. So how do we go about it? You are free to pause the video, do it in your book or your paper, and come back and do. So to do this, you first have to know the number of significant figures that are there. You must not, but you have to know the concept of significant figures. So according to the first rule, every non-zero digit so we have to round it to 3 significant figures. So what do we write? We write the first two, 4, 5, but we don't just directly write 6. We first check the next number after 6. Is it? Yes, it is greater than 5. So the 6 and write the 0, 0 at these places. So here we rounded it to 3 significant figures. We can check this is 1, 2, 3 significant figures. The 0 after it are non-significant, and this was rounded to 7 because the number here was greater than or equal to 5. It was greater than 5 actually. So we round it up to 7. So the next one says 0.0 0.045689. You have to round it to 3 significant figures. So to round it to 3 significant figures, I'll let you do it in your book. Do it in your book. You're free to pause the video, then come back and see the correction. So in 3 significant figures, first you have to know how many significant figures are here. So how many are there? 0 and 0 are not counted. Remember, leading zeros are non-significant. I think that was a third rule. Second maybe. Well, leading zeros are non-significant figures. So the first significant figure is this, then this, then this. So we will write 0.045. Before writing the third one, we check the one after it. Is the one after it greater than or equal to 5? Yes, it is greater than 5. So we round this one up. We will round 6 up to 7. We round it up to the next number after it, which is 7. Is there Roman 3? Yes, there is a Roman 3. So the Roman 3 says 3.0048. So 3.0048. You have to round it up to 3. You have to round it to 3 significant figures. So how many significant figures are here? Actually, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 significant figures here. These zeros here are significant figures. Numbers. 0, 0. These zeros will have been significant numbers, fortunately. So because all of these zeros are in between non-zero digits, so they are significant digits or figures or numbers. So I hope that was well understood because in the previous video I did not emphasize on this. So 3.0048 has 5 significant figures. To round it to 3 significant figures, how do I do? It will be 3.00. That is it, rounded it to 3 significant figures. So yeah, that is all. The B part says, that was the A part. The B part says round to 2 significant figures, this and this. So round to 2 significant figures. Roman 1 we have 0.00754, right? 7584. So I'm to round this to 2 significant figures. So how many significant figures are here first? We have to count. This is not, this is not, this is not, these 3 are not significant figures because they are leading zeros. Hadn't been, there was a 1 here. This one would have been significant, this one and this one, 2 would have been significant figures. But actually they are not significant figures. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 significant figures. Actually here we had to check if the next number was greater than or equal to 4. Greater than or equal to 5, I mean, since it is 3.00, if it was, this would have been 3.00, 3.01, because it is greater than 5, so I round this up to the nearest whole number on top of it, which is 1. Since it is 4, luckily we have 0. So to round these 2 significant figures, it will be equal to 0.007, and before writing 5, we check the next number. Is the next number greater than or equal to 5? Yes, the next number is 8. It is greater than 5. So what do? We round this 5 up to 6. The next one, Roman 2 says 3.00504. This. That hope, sorry. So 3.00504. Now to round it to 2 significant figures. How many significant figures are here? Actually, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All of them are significant figures. These 2 is because they are in between these 3 and 5. This one is because it's in between 4 and 5. All of the others are non-zero values. So they are all significant. To put it in 2 significant figures, what is it going to be? 3.0. Before writing the second 0 or the second value, let's check the third one, the one after it. Is it greater than or equal to 0? To 5, I mean, is it greater than or equal to 5? Yes, it is equal to 5. Since it is equal to 5, we round it up. We round this 0 up to 1. So here it is in 3 significant figures, sorry, not 2. The question said 2 significant figures. So to put it in 2 significant figures is going to be 3.3 is the first significant figure. 0. Before writing the 0, we check the next value. The next value is 0. Is 0 greater than or equal to 5? No. So we keep the 0. 3.0. 2 significant figures. 2 significant figures. 3 significant figures. 3, 3. So yeah, that is all. So that is all for the exercises under the topic number systems. Thanks for watching and keep watching with us videos on EducQuiz.